Do you have a sweet craving and you love donuts, but you have diabetes, high cholesterol, hypertension? Don't worry, these flourless donuts for people with diabetes or high cholesterol are super delicious and perfect for sweet teeth. In a bowl, place 1 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of coconut flour. If you don't have it, don't worry, just use more almond flour. 1/4 of a cup of sugar substitute, I'm using monk fruit, 2 pinches of salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and now mix all together. Now beat 4 eggs, add 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of almond milk, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now we're gonna integrate all the wet ingredients with the mixture that we made with the almond flour, and we're gonna spread some oil in our, our special go-to oven container for donuts. Don't worry, if you don't have it, you can just make small cupcakes with this same recipe. And we're gonna bake at 180 centigrade Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Now, let's place apart and let it cool down. Now, in a pan, melt 3 tablespoons of butter and add 1/4 cup of sugar substitute, half a teaspoon of grounded cinnamon, and let's integrate all of this with the melted butter. Take your donuts and pass them through the butter mixture and let them cool down. This is gonna be our donut glaze. You will see what a delicious recipe. Tell me, what would you like me to prepare for the next week? And remember to follow me on TikTok and Instagram as Mexican Food by Laura for daily inspiration. I have new recipes here in Las Recetas de Laura in Spanish every Tuesday, and on Thursday I have the recipes in English. So leave a comment. I hope you enjoy it, and I see you next week. Bye.